Back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can add extensions in Tachiyomi application. So, if you are new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. And that is it. So, previously we learned how we can download and install Tachiyomi application in all devices. Now we have it in our device. We're going to learn how we can be able to add extensions. So the first step also here, we're going to come and then visit Google Chrome. Once we visit Google Chrome, we're going to search Wakata. So we are going to download Wataku. No, we're going to search Wataku extensions using Google Chrome, and then we go to that site. That is the SP, the spelling, that is it. And then choose any of those extensions, but the most popular one is this one. Tap on install. Once you tap on install, it will redirect you to the application, and then go to next. Then select a folder. I recommend you to create a folder by yourself, not to use the system folders. Create your own folder and then give access. And then after, you're going to press the back button, and then you will be able to see the extension repos. So on those extension repos, you're going to come and then you go to browser, and then you're going to come right here where you see extensions, and then reload. Once you load, choose any of your desired extension, and then press the download. And then after download, give it some few seconds to download. Don't forget to subscribe and share. So let me download this first extension, which is 300. Let me download this one. We'll press the button which is install, and then they'll start installing this extension. After installing that extension, it will go right here, and then you're going to come and press into it, and then trust this that extension. By doing that, we would have added an extension in your Tachiyomi application. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maru's Tech, and I sign out. Don't forget to support by subscribing and liking.